Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a cleaning schedule to DREAME X50 Ultra. To do it, you can click on the three dots in top right corner, then go to Scheduled Cleaning. Now you can click on plus to add a schedule. You can set repeating time, starting time, and you can set any hour that you like. Let's say the 12 p.m. Okay, yeah, never mind. You can set the repetition time to once, so only when you enable the schedule, it'll happen in the nearest time possible, or daily, or Monday to Friday, or weekend, or custom, and you can set certain days like that. You can set it to different cleaning tasks, like Clean Genius. You can set it to all or room. You can select certain rooms to clean, or custom, and you can set all the custom settings for it. Then save it, and you can also enable or disable it. I will disable it. I really want to disable it. Yeah. Or you can enable it when you want to work again. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.